Hazur, there is a hadith that Abu Quhafa was presented to the Holy Prophet on the day of the fall of Mecca, and his head and beard were snow white. The Holy Prophet said, "Change this, but avoid black." Could you please explain this prohibition, and does this both apply to both men and women?
Change this and provide black?
The Holy Prophet said...
Rashi Sahib understands this language better. Rashi Sahib is not here.
The Holy Prophet said, "Change this, but avoid black."
That you should allow dye your hair or wear black color.
I think it's your wife, is it? Punjabi will say, "Munge ki goli maa samajh liye." You know, if deception is the intention, then dyeing of hair is prohibited. If deception is not in the intention, then it is prohibited. In all the injunctions of the Holy Prophet of this nature, this is the ruling spirit which should be kept in mind. For example, if you are selling wheat, don't put wheat above the bed or rotten wheat so that people are deceived. The rotten portion should be shown separately and the good portion should be shown separately. This is the underlying spirit of all injunctions of Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So this can only apply to a situation where somebody wants to marry some girl and he is quite an old gentleman, but to deceive the parents or the relatives or the girl herself, he dyes his beard and hair so cleverly that people would think that he belongs to a younger age group. That is forbidden. But if somebody is married already and he dyes his color for his own personal, recouping his past or giving an injection, a transfusion to his psychological state of mind to boost his spirits, there is nothing wrong in that. And I have seen pious people doing that. Muslim himself dyed his hair. So what else can you want as an authority? So that is all for the time being. Let's please say Azan and then we'll say the prayer. Now